This is a disability accessible room, wheelchair accessible room, 8318 on the Norwegian Sky. Let's take a look. All right, so first off, as you can see, there is plenty of room. So we're gonna start off here at the entrance. So you have a sofa that turns into a bed. All right, and then as you can see, plenty of space and enough space that you can have a scooter, motorized scooter, wheelchair, walker. I mean, look how far I am from Robert.
Yeah.
Okay.
And if you notice, the door is even wide enough to where you can open this door all the way and the scooter can literally drive
scooter or wheelchair. So bigger than the inside room. Or normal room. It has the call buttons and the doorbell. Okay, emergency assistance. All right, the hooks are lower. Okay, so arms length down, not so high up to hang anything. You have one closet, and again, it's lower. So the hangers are lower and the shelves are up top. Big enough for a large suitcase to fit in there. Okay, you have a full-size mirror. Hello there. Okay, and then on this side, another closet where your life vests, right? More drawers, and your life vests are lower, so you don't have to get up on top to reach them. Your safe's on the outside on this one. This one has also a fridge. The TV's lower and angled, so this is good. Okay, it's movable, but it's angled. You have your
full-length mirror. No,
half-length mirror, which is good. And table, phone, and then plug and a stool and your garbage can. Comes with a chair and a table, which is good as well. All right. And then, of course, this is a king-size bed, but can be converted into
two twins
with end tables on each side with storage, as well as your reading light and USB, which is absolutely perfect. Also, a light in the center for the above lights,
which we can show you. There you go.
All right. Then we have a extra large door to the bathroom. They have the stoppers here all around. Okay, so it's an extra large door, so you can actually wheelchair in or walker, or if you just need larger space to walk in. All right, so this is kind of like what it looks like. It says bars all over to assist you. You have your toilet and then your sink. So adjustable mirror. All right. Larger sink, some storage on top. There's the hairdryer. This one already attached. All right.
For the shaver.
For the shaver, the plugs for the shaver. Again, towel bars. On the bottom, it has the shower chair and then the toilet seat with the handlebars. And then if we open up the shower, no step in, it's just a walk in. So as you can see, walk right in.
Take a shower.
Take a shower, handlebars all over. And then you have your shower cord, so you can pull it off.
Also, same thing, shampoo, conditioner, and body wash.
Yep. And again, bars to hold on to. I mean, this is high up, which is your clothesline cord, but again, with all the bars all around, you can hang up your items to dry, as you can see here, you know, to dry in the shower itself. All right. Again, there's no wheelchair in here, but to kind of show you the example, but as you can see, there's plenty of space to bring your wheelchair right in to shower or to go to the restroom. But plenty of space. Like Rob, if you wanted to walk down all the way from end of the bathroom all the way, that's how much space is in this room. So very accessible. And even on the sides here, I mean, there's plenty of space to walk, unlike our room. If you wanted to check that video down below, that is a portal window room, and that video will be linked down below. on the Norwegian Sky. So,
well, for this here, this is what they call an ADA wheelchair compliant room.
yeah.
And for everybody watching, if this is what suits your needs, this is what the room looks like. This
Yes,
is what you need.
definitely.
And
the biggest room I think we've ever been in
is this room.
Yeah, comparable to others that we've been on.
Yeah.
So just one last look around from all angles. And this is 8318
on the Norwegian Sky.
On the Norwegian Sky. Disability accessible room. Just as a bonus, if you do choose 8318, you're right next to the elevators. And this is 2 sets of elevators. So we have the glass elevators that go to the atrium, as well as the main elevators up against the walls. So you do have an option of which elevator. So these may not be wide enough for a wheelchair. They should be. I'm not too certain because I don't have a wheelchair, but if you don't have that option, you also have the forward elevators, which are right behind your room on the other side, the main elevators.
Okay, guys.
So we just took a tour of the accessibility room, 8318 on the Norwegian Sky.
Yeah.
And if this is something that suits your needs or you need this type of room, this is one that you should prefer.
Yes.
If you're new to our channel,
please click like and subscribe.
Yes, we have more ship tour rooms, the ship tour and the room tour rooms for the Norwegian Sky, if they're not already out, coming out shortly. So thank you so much for watching our room tour, and we hope you check out more videos in the playlist below, as well as the other cruises that we have done. Those are in the playlist as well.
Yes, please take a day, grab some popcorn, and watch away.
All right, thank you so much for watching, guys. We'll see you next time.
All right, stay tuned.
Bye.